Meet Mr. Singh, a hard-working truck driver. He works day and night.
In case I work hard, I will be able to pay the installments of my truck faster.
Unfortunately, one day his truck broke down. He started his search for the truck repair shop and found one.
How much will you charge to repair my truck?
Mechanic thought.
There is no major repair in his truck, but I should find a way to charge him some extra amount. Luckily, you brought it to my garage. There are many major repairs that need to be done on your truck.
He was dejected, thinking,
all my savings would now be used in this service.
His friend suggested,
I think you should get a second opinion from GB Truck and Diesel. They are an authorized Cummins dealer and have been serving Edmonton since 1973.
He went to GB Truck and Diesel and was impressed by their infrastructure.
Hi, I want someone to check my truck. Sure, one of our expert technician would look at that. Checked. Just a minor problem. Wow.
Thumbs up to GB Truck and Diesel. For all your truck maintenance needs, call them now.